Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how to see who has access to your file in Google Drive. Firstly, you want to check for the files where you can see this icon which says shared. This means you are actually sharing with someone. And to check more details, you want to click on the file, right click on file information, details, and here on the right side is going to show you who has access. And if you want to further manage this access, you can click on this button and you're gonna see the all of the people here. So you can see this guy has editor access in my file. If you want to change this, you can click on this. You can remove access whenever you want. If you want, then click on save, and now the guy doesn't have access to this file. In case you are not sure which files you are sharing with, but you actually know the person's email, what you can do, you can go to this search bar at the top and you can type to colon and then just type the email of the person you know you shared some documents with, press enter, and it's going to show you all of the documents you shared with that specific person. And then you can again right click on the folder, you can check file information, details, and you're gonna see the person right here, and you can manage access from this button, or you can right click on share, and here you're gonna see that as well. So if you found this video helpful how you can see who has access to your file in Google Drive, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.